Although challenging, I enjoyed decorating furniture with inlay and veneer and bandings. And this table, a Sheraton Work Table, was just perfect for fulfilling that interest of working in this decoration. It's covered with veneer and bandings and inlay. Another attractive feature of this piece is its small size, and that means it'll be easy to move around and use in different ways. The original piece was made by famous 18th century cabinet makers John and Thomas Seymour while they were practicing in Boston. The piece is typically Sheraton style with its slender and tapered mahogany legs. The legs have a very unusual feature, however: embedded banding strips down the tapered portion of the turning. The remaining parts of the table are completely covered in various veneers and banding strips. My piece used crotch mahogany, sandalwood, Macassar ebony, straight-grained mahogany, holly, and big leaf maple burl. But other veneer species would work just as well. If you like a decorative challenge, warm up your glue pot, get out the veneer hammer, and follow along.